Here I have Huawei Nova 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. That's how you can switch this mode. By holding a finger on this button you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for this mode. Like here you can adjust the schedule, you can select days on which it will repeat, you can select start time, end time of the schedule, you can add your own schedule, like not just the same as this one, but you can change its name. You can allow interruptions. For example, you can allow calls from anyone, contacts only, favorites only, or from nobody. The same goes to messages, and there's also an option repeated calls. When enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.